Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is No Talk Dodgers here. Right now I'm about to go outside and show you guys my garden, and this is what it looks like. So we added some onion. This right here is some garlic. Something's growing right here. I don't know if it's a weed. Right here is jalapeno. And then there was another basil that I was growing from last time. And it died, so sorry about that. We got some tomato, more onions, squash. Over here, we took out the squashes and got them out of these right here. And then right over here is some like the peas that we were gonna grow, but they ended up dying. So yeah. I also have a garden at my grandma's house. We're growing watermelon, tomatoes, doing really good. We brought in some carrots, but they haven't been coming up yet because we just put them in Saturday, I think. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with others. This is No Talk. See you soon. I'm out, guys. Peace.